In this video we're going to begin our snow globe project. Particularly we're going to create the base and take a look at some techniques we could use to begin dressing up a base for a snow globe. So let's start with a cylinder. I'm going to go to the create menu, Polygon Primitives cylinder, and in our channel box inputs here I'm going to change the radius to 10, the height to 2, and the subdivision's height to 5. Okay, that gives us several edge loops here. Okay, I'm going to go to our 4 view here, and looking in one of either our side or front view, I'm going to tap the space bar. I'm going to take a look at these edge loops here. I'm going to pull the whole object up so it sits on the x-axis, and then I'm going to go into component mode, right click to vertex, and I'm going to draw a marquee around this middle 2 rows of vertices, and I'm just going to hit R to scale in, and I'm just scaling the middle one, then I'm going to scale in Y to give us a little band here. And there you go. That's the start of a base. I also want to take the top here, and I can go and I can shift click. I want to select all of these. I can go and shift click. There's not that many, but I did want to show you something I don't know if I've mentioned before. In the select tool, if I double click that, I have a few options. There's something called drag select. If I hold down the tab, I'm about to hit tab, notice it jumps to that. There's a toggle. So, and all that does is when I'm in select mode with a particular component, in this case it's a face, I can hold down tab and it's just easier to select things instead of clicking one at a time. So you may want to use it. Just remember that's the tab key. And from here I want the glass to come down into a little groove. So I'm going to create that groove right now on the top by just hitting my scale tool, which is in the polygons menu set, or you can go up to did I say scale? Extrude. And I'm going to my manipulator is very small here, so I'm going to hit the plus sign, which will increase the size there. Click the top scale box, and when I do it, it creates a universal scale box in the center. I'm going to bring that in just a hair. Now the last tool I used was the extrude, so if I hit the shortcut G key, it will repeat the tool I just used. I hit G, and you notice it changes. It doesn't look any different on the model, but if I go ahead and pull that down, and I'm going to hit G again, G, I'm just going to make a little groove. G one more time, and pull this back up. And my glass is going to sit inside of here later. Now, this is the plane that will ultimately serve as our environment for our snow globe. And I do not like how all of the geometry comes to a single point. That's going to limit us somewhat. So I'm going to rebuild this geometry, and I'll do that in the next video.